Good, dude. How far back? 100.
Shot, Covert.
Shutting down water! A little late. Okay.
Grabbing female in. Covert's taking male.
I was shown to do a single.
You're only going that much. Where are you going? There you go. You guys have to anticipate where you're going, right? What's half of 50 feet?
25, sir.
25. So 25, throw that other coupling off to the side. Don't yank all his hose away from him. Especially if he's uncoupling the line.
Yes, get swivel, Chris!
You fix it? Yeah, all your guys' dogs are really messed up. Yes, get swivel, sir. What do you say, Covert?
Water! Water coming!
Okay, Covert, you're gonna be nozzle.
Ooh.
Take those kinks out and then bump up the nozzle.
Do we take the clamp off now?
You're good to go as long as the kinks out. Oh yeah, take it all the way off.
So when do you say shutting down water?
Before you shut down the nozzle, right? You're just letting the nozzle guy know that he's gonna leave.